Hello friends. As you know, myself Rahul, and today I have my friend Sarah from Philippines. So, yes, Sarah.
Okay,
Yeah.
hello.
Hi.
I just want to ask, since
Yes.
I have a concern,
Yes.
I'm in a relationship now,
Okay.
but the problem is, since my friends noticed that there's something
Yeah.
imbalance between our relationship, so give me some advice.
Yes. How long have you been in this relationship?
Almost 3 years.
3 years. So first of all, you need to know like this is one side love or two side, both side love. So for to know that it's both side love, you need to know that if he's paying the same attention, he's taking care for you the same way as you take care for him. So this is the both side love. But sometimes if you feel that he sometimes ignore you, he doesn't care for you a lot. He cares sometimes. He do something like he go with his friend, chill out, and but he doesn't inform you. And most of time people being so busy with their phone. When some people when your partner being busy with their phone, or being happy alone, like he's watching in your phone and just smiling and doing this kind of thing, and he doesn't give you priority, then you might realize that be honest with yourself, with your feeling. Whatever you observe in your partner life, what as he act, as he behave with you, if you think that he's doing some misbehave, or he's not paying enough attention as much you need, so it's really question mark in this in for your relationship. But once you know he's not paying too much attention on you, so one day you can understand he doesn't want to stay in your life for it's not long life. So if you're going to move on from this relationship now, or whenever you feel, it will be better. Because if you're gonna spend a lot time in this relationship, and later after 1 2 or 3 more years, you're gonna realize this that it's over, so it will be too late to move from this relationship, because you will have too much responsibility. Okay, if you are being in a relationship for 10 years, so it's really hard to move on from this relationship.
Yes.
So you have to ask yourself, you need to be honest with yourself, and then you decide, because ultimately you have to take your own decision, because this is your own life. What I can do, I can suggest you as I told you, you have to observe.
Okay, so
Yeah.
since you told me about this observation, I just realized that I'm actually not his priority. But what happens if I will still keep on trying to understand him,
Yes.
or maybe give him a chance?
Yeah,
Should I be honest with him?
Yes,
or no?
yes, you can give a chance, but you need to tell him. You need to tell whatever you feel. You need to be honest and tell him that I observe you are not paying attention on me. You are, maybe you don't like me. So if there is something like this, just talk to each other. Then only you can solve the problem. Maybe he's busy. Maybe he's busy in his personal life something. But if you are partner, he need to share each and everything with you, because you are life partner. Okay. So like this, and if he tells you that yeah, there's something wrong, actually I'm paying attention on someone else, I have another crush, or I'm in another relationship, then after you both can decide and move and take the decision whatever you want to do in life. Okay.
I think I already get the idea. I think I just need to process it further. So
Yes, exactly.
because self-love is much more
Self
important.
self love is more important,
Yes.
because when alone we will die alone. No one is going to die with you. Okay, but the thing is, what we have is we need someone to lean on, to spend our life together, because it's really good life when we spend with someone, when someone love you.
No.
But the thing, sometimes if you realize you love somebody a lot, but they don't love you, it kills you from inside.
Yes.
And it kills you each and every single moment when you feel like, if you are sleeping in the same room, and you feel something awkward, like he's busy with his phone, then what will you feel inside? It will kill you from inside, no? So by dying every day, so you need to take a decision as fast as possible and move on. Maybe somebody else is here for you, maybe somebody else is waiting for you, the better than him, who will understand yourself.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is life, no?
Yes. think I got my answers. Okay, thank you very much.
वेलकम सारा। हाँ तो दोस्तों, हम सब की लाइफ में एक टाइम ऐसा होता है कि हम वन साइड रिलेशनशिप में होते हैं, एक वन साइड लव। जैसे किसी से हम प्यार करते हैं, वो हमको बराबर प्यार नहीं करता, वो मजबूरी में हमारे साथ होता है क्योंकि हम उसको फोर्स करते हैं प्यार करने के ऊपर के लिए, हमारे साथ रहने के लिए। और बाद में क्या होता है कि वो हमको छोड़ के जाता है, जब भी उसको ऑप्शन मिलता है वो हमको छोड़ के जाता है, तो फिर हम रोने बैठ जाते हैं। तो आप अगर किसी रिलेशनशिप में हो तो ऑब्जर्व करो कि ये क्या प्यार दोनों साइड का बराबर है। ये अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप अपनी साइड से बहुत ज़्यादा वो दे रहे हो और अगला बंदा, अब आपका जो पार्टनर है, वो उतना ज़्यादा आपको अटेंशन नहीं दे रहा है, तो आप उस समय समझ जाना चाहिए आपको। और उसके बाद आपको डिसाइड करना चाहिए, अपने आप ऑनेस्ट होना चाहिए अपने आप से कि हाँ मुझे इस रिलेशनशिप में रहना चाहिए या नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा पार्टनर मेरे साथ लॉयल नहीं है, मुझे उतनी केयर नहीं कर रहा है। क्योंकि लव इज ऑल अबाउट केयर। अगर आप किसी को प्यार करते हैं तो आप उसकी केयर करते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप किसी की केयर करते हैं वो आपकी केयर नहीं करता, तो आपको ये हर्ट होता है। तो इससे पहले कि आपको लगे ये बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो जाए, उससे पहले आप लोग डिसीजन लो। जस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर सेल्फ एंड टेक डिसीजन एंड गो अहेड, बिकॉज लाइफ इज रियली सो ब्यूटीफुल। ज़िंदगी बहुत ही सुंदर है, इसको जीने के लिए जियो, ना कि किसी दूसरे की लाइफ में जियो। डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम ट्राइंग टू लिव इन समवन एल्स लाइफ। अपने आप को पहचानो, अपने आप से प्यार करो एंड डू समथिंग बिग इन योर लाइफ। जस्ट वर्क आउट ऑन योर गोल। अपने गोल्स पे, अपने ड्रीम्स पे काम करना शुरू करो, दूसरे की ज़िंदगी में जीना बंद करो, क्योंकि लाइफ बहुत सुंदर है। बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे, आपको फिर से प्यार करेंगे, तो आप गो अहेड फॉर योर डिसीजन। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।